Oh, hello there. Welcome to week 16, 6th grader. Week 17, 6th graders. It's like I've already forgotten what day it is. Maybe it's because I'm so excited about winter break. What I'm not excited about this week is that I only get to see you once for live class. I only get to see you on Wednesday. The reason for that is that we have some home base fun times on Thursday and Friday. And so I will only see you one time this week. However, we have a great week ahead of us. What I need you to do on Monday is to finish your race writing and your vocab notes and then submit your week 16 document. Reminder of what that means. It means that on this page, we should have finished purposely, incident, technically, and mischievous. Those words were all supplied to you in the slideshow and the video that I posted in week 16's folder. Then you are writing a race paragraph. Remember, what I'm really hoping that you focus on in this race paragraph is actually finishing this sentence. Jack reacts to his friends turning against him by, here's some things you guys told me last week. He reacts by feeling surprised. He feels shocked that his friends believe Julian's story. And he feels angry because Julian is lying about him. Now, what I'm really hoping that you work on with this paragraph is the cite evidence portion. After you've written your answer to this statement, you're going to use a quote from the text. That quote is going to come from page 2 of this document where you have some evidence already gathered. Our focus is, remember these elements. A quote can never be by itself. Quote, your words, they're holding hands like best friends. Always introduce your quote with context, meaning what's happening in the story before this quote, or who said or thought this quote. After your quote, you're putting the citation, which is Palacio, and the page number. That goes before the period. That means that your quote is not separated from the citation. They too need to hold hands. Now, this paragraph is all going together, and those of you who are like, I can't type in this because of the formatting of page to page, I've aligned all of them so it should be very, very easy to type your whole paragraph. After you've used evidence, yes, write 2 sentences explaining that evidence. What does it mean? What does it prove? How does it relate to your topic sentence about what Jack's response is? And then you are going to click the almighty submit button. After this, on Tuesday, we don't have any real assignment. The assignment on Tuesday is to make up any missing work. That means click the grades tab underneath materials and updates. You will see anything missing as a big 0 and an orange hexagon that says it's missing. I would also encourage you to read your choice book for 15 minutes. Now, this could be anything. It could be a comic book, graphic novel, articles on the internet. It could be a novel that you've gotten from the library. Anything that you are reading for 15 minutes. It is so good for your brain. Do it. On Wednesday, I will see you for live class. We're going to read a lot of Wonder, and it's going to be amazing. We're going to practice those discussion skills that we practiced last week. The only homework that day is to finish reading if we don't get through the chapters that we need to. Thursday, only homework is reading your choice book, making up any missing assignments if you have any. Friday, I'm not going to see you. You are going to have a home-based fun day. It's going to be amazing. And then we have a 2-week break. During that 2-week break, what I expect from you is that you relax. Please do something fun. Do something that makes you feel good. Also read something that's awesome. I really look forward to hearing what you are reading after we come back from this break. Our grades this week are going to be our live participation and our week 16 work. There might be a little bit of a extra credit opportunity during class. We'll see. If you have any questions, as always, please email me. Please come to tutoring if you need any help. There's live support on Monday at 11:30. Tutoring Tuesday through Friday, 9 a.m. and 2:15. Be there or be square. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Have a really great day.